The first animation ever was created on a projector-like object called a magic lantern in 1650. It would create evil demonic images to scare people into thinking the animation was really magic. Christian Huygens, a Dutch mathematician, astronomer, physicist, and horologist, was one of the first ever animators. The thaumatrope, a disc or a card, invented in 1824 by Sir John Herschel, that had two pictures, one on each side, attached to a string, one on each side, twisted and spun to create an animation. It is famous for being used for the phi phenomenon. The phenakistoscope, a disc invented in 1831 by Joseph Plateau, that was spun to create an animation. The pictures are oriented to the diameter of the disc. The zoetrope was invented in 1834 by William George Horner. It was a cylindrical device with slits that, when spun, looking through the slits would reveal an animation. Although Ting Huan invented pretty much the same thing, but heat from the lamp would spin the object. The flip book was invented in 1868 by John Bars Linnet. A series of pages are flipped in order to create an animation. This was the first animator that allowed for a lot of frames. The praxinoscope was invented by a scientist named Charles Emile Raynaud in 1877. It worked like a zoetrope, except instead of slits, mirrors inside the praxinoscope would mirror the animation. Invented by George Mallis in 1899 for an advertisement he made, kinetic typography is an animated text. The first animated movie was The Adventures of Prince Ahmad, made in 1926. It was a series of black and another color. The first animated film with sound was Steamboat Willie, a short made by Disney in 1928. Paludopolis is a movie about pirates and soldiers. It is the first animated movie in 1931. The first animation using Technicolor was made in 1932 by Disney. It was called Flowers and Trees. The first puppet stop motion was created in 1935. It was called The New Gulliver. The first movie made with Technicolor in 1937 was also made by Disney, and it was Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. The first movie made with stereophonic sound, surround sound, was Fantasia in 1940. It was also made by Disney. Another movie made by Disney, 101 Dalmatians, in 1961, used xerography process, which is a process of printing images. Abracadabra, not made by Disney, but by Alexander Stitt in 1983, was the first 3D movie ever. The first ever movie made with a computer-generated animation was Rock and Roll in 1983 by Nelvana. The first clay animated movie was The Adventures of Mark Twain in 1985. The first animation ever created without a camera was The Rescuers Down Under in 1990. Magos y Gigantes, or Wizards and Giants in English, was the first Flash animation. It was made in Mexico in 2003. That is the history of animation.